So, hello. My name is Jürgen, and today I want to show you something about debugging in Python. Recently, I started answering questions about Flask on Stack Overflow, and turns out 50% of the questions about Flask are not about Flask, and the other 50% could have been easily answered with a debugger. When I then write, hey, just set a breakpoint here and there and have a look at the values, I often get as an answer, oh my god, this is too advanced, this is witchcraft, this is sorcery, but actually it isn't. So let's have a look at this Python code. It's a simple Flask application and it has several routes. And when you send to the square endpoint a number, you get the square back. At least it should. So let's have a look what's going on here. Let's run the application and go to the root of it. The demo link is links to the hard-coded value of 2. Let's go there. Oh no, we get an internal server error. So here is a first hint what's going on. There's a type error, must be a real number. Ha! A real number, not so that a little bit of a number or a half a number or whatever. It has to be a real number. Okay, let's have a look how to find out. We pass in the 2 here, and it gets in this function, and this gets in another function. So this looks pretty fine. Let's have a look what's going on here. We can import BDB and have a lot of typos, or nowadays we can just write breakpoint. This stops the program execution at this point, and we can inspect what's going on. So let's start the application again. Go back to the root of it. Hit demo. Nothing happens here, but have a look at the terminal. We are at this breakpoint, and the next line to be executed is the calculate square of number. And here we see this number. So what do we do now? We can inspect number. It should be a 2, right? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's 2. It looks pretty fine, but have a look at the ticks around the 2. There's something going on. What is the type of number? It turns out it's a string, and obviously we need an integer when we want to calculate something. So fix the problem. We remove the breakpoint. Instead of we have to convert the number, like a number is int of number. We can do it like this, or Flask has a better way. We just can add this converter here. So let's restart the application, go back to the root, reload, go to the demo. It kind of works, but we get 2 instead of the desired value. Okay, let's have another look. We need to set the breakpoint again. Restart the application, reload, go into, now what will we do? There's not much going on here anymore in this function. We have to get somehow into the calculate square function. How do we do it? We can just step into it. So now we are in the function. We can, with L, I listed the source code, and we can have a look. Result, there's some calculation, and return number. Obviously, instead of the result, the number is returned. Fixed it again. No problem. Let's fix it. Return the result. Let's go back, run the application again. Go back, demo. Oh no, I forgot to remove the breakpoint. Now we are inside. How do we continue now? Well, yes, I have to type continue or just C, and it gets calculated. Oh no. And this is still obviously complete wrong. Instead of the square, we get the square root. So, unfortunately, the time is over. You have to debug yourself, and now you can debug. It's not too hard, I hope. I hope you learned something, and you found my talk useful. My name is Jürgen Moch on Twitter and on GitHub. You can find me with my handle jugmec00. If you have any questions, just fire away, contact me. I'm happy to answering, and I wish you a nice evening. Bye bye.